The Frooition Boost Analytics eBay Seller Toolkit has already scanned and analyzed all your eBay listings, showing you which eBay listings need certain types of optimization for better visibility and sales performance. So if we click in here, going to non-compliance, it'll show you all the listings which are missing required or recommended data for the category they're listing into. It's really quick and simple to resolve these issues to help reach maximum selling performance on eBay. You can click Manual Fix, and that'll take you through to the manual process where the tool will show you which areas of the listing need optimization, or you can simply click Auto Fix, and the tool will do that automatically for you. Pre-filling all the missing data and optimization requirements for the category. Not only making the listing compatible and compliant with eBay, but it's going to expand the search reach, visibility, and ranking on eBay. For example, this seller on this listing on eBay is missing out on 2.5 million searches over the past 30 days because it's not optimized to the category requirements. The tool has already analyzed the listing and optimized it and pre-filled all the missing data and information in. You can see by this left-hand column, just by adding in these required and important item specifics, it's going to grow the search reach and visibility of this product when optimized back up to eBay. If you're happy with the optimization suggested, click Select All and click Apply Changes. And that goes back up to eBay and fully optimized for greater search reach, visibility, and performance.